Today I'm gonna teach you how to eat Cheetos with braces. I am one of the unlucky souls who got braces yesterday, and today I'm gonna show you how to eat Cheetos with braces. So you can't crunch them. You gotta suck on them. I know I took out the Cheeto. It's pretty gross, but I did it. And my braces are still attached. So you just gotta suck on the Cheetos behind your teeth, and you can eat them just fine when they're liquidated. That sounds like a storm. But thank you guys for watching this tutorial on how to eat Cheetos with braces on. And until next time, goodbye.